Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful fluorescent orange and teal blue nail design. Now, these nails are almond shaped, and I'll post all the links below so you can take a look at the nails that I'm using. And for this design, I'm going to be using a mixture of polishes as well as gel to encapsulate the rhinestones on top so that I can secure placement and they last a lot longer. Okay guys, so for this design, I'm going to be using glitters. So I have these two glitters. They come in a pack of 24 from Michaels, and these are the Martha Stewart brand. I'm going to be using two polishes. This is a Kiss Gel in Cool Lye, and then this is from Salon Perfect. Could be Sally's, I'm not sure. Flamingo Flare. This is a subtle fluorescent orange. It looks very pretty in combination with this color. I'm going to be using a top coat, and the one that I prefer is the Defy and Inspire. This was purchased at Target. For the gummy to set the rhinestones, I'm going to be using gummy jelly, and you'll need a UV light or LED light for this to dry. And then I'm also going to be using the Shine E. You don't have to use gel for this, but it does last a lot longer when working with press-on nails. The next item I'm going to be using consists of these rhinestones, and they are all colored opal. And they are beautiful. They don't shine as much as regular rhinestones, but that's not the point. They're just beautiful. And they are opalescent, but they look beautiful on the nail when you combine them with other stones. And I do have some regular rhinestones here. So as you guys know, I like to prop the nail on a pencil in order to maneuver. And don't let this polish fool you. It looks washed out on camera, but it's so beautiful. Very bright and fluorescent looking. If you're doing this on a natural nail, make sure you use a base coat. Okay guys, so the next step is to apply the blue, and you can see that I have alternating blue sides here. So you're just going to brush some color. Okay guys, we're going to be taking the blue glitter, this is in turquoise, and we're going to be applying it on top of the wet nail polish. So this orange part is already dry, so just dust off any excess glitter off of that section. Okay, so once you have applied the first initial layer, you're going to be hard packing, actually soft packing the excess glitter on top just to create a perfect layer of glitter. Now what I like to do next is apply a clear coat just on the glitter part. The reason I put top coat on only half of the nail where the glitter is because I don't want it to drag onto the orange part. So I somewhat seal the top part, and then I run another coat of top coat all over the nail. You're going to let this dry just a little while, and the next step is going to be adding the foil. Okay guys, so the next step is to add foils. You can skip the step altogether, but I like to add extra dimensions to the nail. You could see there, you could see the foils, little specks there, and that's what I like seeing. So it just adds extra oomph to the nail. These are double-sided foils. I bought them on AliExpress for $65. Wait, that's not right, 65 cents. And I kind of think it's too expensive for what you're getting in product, but they are pretty. And I guess 65 cents isn't too much, but it's tiny. This container is very little. So I'm going to be using the blue with gold foil, but I also have gold with silver. I have black with gold and red with gold. So you can decide what color combination you want to do. I'll post links down below. Nail is slightly tacky. The next step is applying a layer of top coat on top of all the nail. Keep in mind that if you're going to be using any kind of quick dry nail polish top coat, it will not work with the foils. Make sure it's not a quick dry. This Defy and Inspire Clear works perfectly for this project. Okay guys, the most important thing is to let dry completely once you've applied the top coat. So I'm putting it under my UV lamp, although this is regular nail polish, but I'm putting it under the fan with UV light, and I'm letting it dry 100%. It can't be tacky, it can't be mushy. It has to be 100% before you put the gummy jelly and the gel. Okay, so the nail is completely dry and you can stop there. Any sane person would, but of course I'm going to continue. We're moving on to the gummy jelly. We're going to apply a layer of that on top of the dried, completely dried nail. And you're going to apply a thin layer, and wherever you're going to set the rhinestones, you're going to apply a bit more product. The next step is to apply this product, which is Shine E, right over top. And this basically encapsulates the gemstones or the rhinestones. Just apply a thin layer. Make sure you have a UV lamp or LED. Now you can cure it for a few minutes until it's completely dry. Okay guys, so this is the finished nail, and you can see how it matches my other nails. And I did not add the Shine E up top, the crystals. You can though. If you use larger crystals, they may get caught in your hair, and to secure them even further, you can just add a thin layer and then cure again for a few minutes, and then it'll protect them. However, in this case, I'm just leaving them as is. On my nails, I did encapsulate them and add the clear gel on top. This one works very well with crystals since it doesn't really take away from the shine, although I prefer it without gel on top. Keep in mind, you can do this design without any gel or UV light. You can use polish, but I chose to use the gel because that makes the glitter shine a lot more than regular nail polish. So if you like videos like this, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.